What's up everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and let me welcome you to another video. In this channel we talk about apps that involve money and real estate, and we're going to be covering the Webull app in this video. Specifically, how do you sell a stock on the app? So you want to start off by opening your app up, and you'll be taken to the home screen or your watch list. Now this video is assuming that you have a stock to sell. If you want to know how to deposit money into your Webull account so you can buy a stock, or if you want to know how to buy a stock itself, you want to check the videos out on the screen. Assuming that you've done that, you want to click the center button in the bottom of the screen, which looks like the Webull logo. That will take you to the current stocks that you own. If you do have some kind of pin set up, make sure you have it ready because you'll be required to enter it in order to access this page. Once you've done this, all you need to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see the stocks that you currently have. Pick which stock that you wish to sell. In this case, I'm going to sell my share of Associated Bancorp. You want to click on Sell to Close. You'll then be presented with the sell screen. As we scroll down, you want to hit on Order Type, and let's briefly cover the different types of sell orders that you can initiate. We have Limit, sell security at a fixed price or higher. Market, which enables you to sell a share immediately based on the current market price. We have Stop, set a stop price lower than current price. If market price drops to the stop price, a market sell order is triggered. Stop Limit, set a stop price lower than the current price. If the market price drops to the stop price, a limit sell order is triggered. And Trailing Stop, when market continues to increase, the stop price to sell follows or trails the highest price of the stock by a trail that you set. Now we're going to stick with just a simple market order because that's what this tutorial is covering. If y'all want to see a tutorial explaining exactly what the other ones represent and what they do in more detail, let me know in the comment section. So we're going to click on Market. And from here, you just fill in the information. So it says amount in shares. That's the place that you enter how many shares you actually want to sell. So for example, if you had 10 shares of this stock, but you only want to sell 5, then you would put 5 in the amount in share. Where it says time in force, it's automatically going to be set to the current time because we're selling as soon as the order goes through. Then you want to click on sell. If the market is currently open at the time that you initiate this, then the order will go through immediately. If not, it will go through when the trading hours start. In this case, 9:30. So I'm going to click on confirm. And it says that my order has been sent. With that being said, that concludes the video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. It really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you have an interest in signing up for Webull and haven't done so already, you can sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment. They usually have a promotion going on where you can get a number of free stocks by depositing usually $5 to $10. This has been Elijah with Financial Anatomy. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.